Hey tubers, a quick one. '07 Nissan Murano 3.5 with the codes misfire. Which misfire was that? Misfire 2, yeah. And VIAS solenoid. Let me show you real quick. The misfire 2 is gone. 1800 still there. That's a bad solenoid. All right. The way you check is you check the power at this solenoid. This is it. This is the solenoid. I check the power, and the power is there, but it's not going through the solenoid, meaning it doesn't show connectivity. It doesn't show, the word escapes me, the continuity. So, this is a quite expensive solenoid. From what I hear, they charge like $200 for it. You can put any solenoid there that fits. All right, this is one thing. Now, number two, we changed the coil. The coil blew. This is a blown coil. This is a blown coil. That's how you tell the coil is blown, by looking at this side of it. And yeah, right here. See that crack? That crack happens when the coil blows. Boom. Okay, so we'll put a new coil. Everything is okay now. It's running smooth. The coil is not blowing. I suspect the wiring was the problem there. Look, yeah, they like almost touched. I think they touched each other at some point. See, so this is the fix. Get a new pigtail. Coil is there. It's running smooth now. The pigtail will fix the blowing coil problem, and the solenoid will fix the check engine light. All right, thank you, and subscribe, please. Tell your friend too.